Hello, second grade. This is Module 3, Lesson 12. And our objective today is change 10 ones for 110, 10 tens for 100, and 10 hundreds for 1000. Okay, so first off, I'm going to say a number, and you say the number that is 10 more. So our first number is 10. So what is 10 more than 10? Did you say 20? If you did, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Good job. How about 10 more than 50? $60. Good job. Okay, beat the leaf. You have to say it before the leaf gets down to the bottom. 10 more than 90. $100. Did you say 100 before the leaf got to the bottom? Good job. How about 10 more than 130? Beat the leaf. Did you say 140? If you did, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Okay, now we're going to do 10 less. So I'll say the number and you say the number that's 10 less. Remember, you're trying to beat the leaf down to the bottom, so say the number before the leaf gets to the bottom. Here we go. 10 less than 130. Go. Did you say 120? If you did, good job. How about 10 less than 90? Beat the leaf. Did you say 80? Good job. How about 10 less than 50? Did you say 40? How about 10 less than 20? Beat the leaf down. Did you say 10? Excellent job. Alright, here's our application problem. Remember, our application problem, you can use whatever strategy you feel comfortable using. So the problem is, how many packages of 10 cookies can Khalid make using 124 cookies? And then the second part, the second question is, how many cookies does she need to complete another package of 10? So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done solving this. Alright, let's compare answers. So here's one way that you could solve this. You could break this up in expanded form. Expanded form is the hundreds plus the tens plus the ones. So we broke up the 124 cookies. There's 100. There's 1 100s plus 2 tens plus 4 equals 124 cookies. And then I drew out the tens down here because we're looking for a package of 10 cookies here. So I drew out 10 tens because 10 tens make 100. And then I drew 2 more tens here because there's 2 tens and 20. And then I went ahead and made my 4 ones here because I'll need that to solve my second part of this. So first we're trying to figure out how many packages of 10 we can make. So we have 120 here, and 120 equals 12 tens. Let's count and see if that's right. So 100 plus 20 is 120. That's where I got this. And let's count how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 2 more. 10, 11, 12. 12 tens. There we go. Now we need to figure out how many more cookies we would need to make the next another package of 10. So we have 4 ones here. So I wrote down 4 plus blank equals 10, because we're trying to figure out how many more we need to make a 10 here. So 4 plus what equals 10? Did you say 6? Good job. Okay. So let's count how many discs I have here. We're going to count by ones first. So here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 discs here. Can I take those 10 discs and make another unit? I sure can. What unit can I make? Right, I can make 10. So I can take all of these 10s and put a 10 over here to make a unit of 10. So what if I add some more 10s here? Let's skip count by 10s because we're counting by 10s now. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now I have 10 10s. Can I take those 10 10s and make a bigger unit? I sure can. What unit can I make? Right, I can make a 100. Very good. Alright, so this is what I need to do. I have a number down here, 348, and I need to make this number using those discs that I just did. So how many one discs do I need? Right, 8. So let's count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about 10s? How many 10s discs do I need? 4. Good. Let's count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's skip count by 10s to see how many we have. 10, 20, 30, 40. So is that correct? Yes, it is. Now, how many 100s disc do I need? Right, I need 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's skip count by 100s to see if that's correct. 100, 200, 300. So I have 300 here. That is right. Okay, so now what I'm wanting to figure out is how many more ones do I need to make a 10 to make this next bigger unit. Let's count and see how many more ones I would need to make the next bigger unit. 1, 2. I need 2 more ones to make 10. So 8, 9, 10. How about with my 10s? I have 4 tens here. How many more tens would I need to make the next unit? Go ahead and figure that out. Alright, let's see if you're right. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did I add here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you say 6? If you did, good job. Okay, so now how many more hundreds do I need to make the next unit? I have 3. How many more would I need? Go ahead and write that down. Alright, let's count and see. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did I add here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you write down 7? If you did, excellent job. Now it is your turn to do this on your own. So you need to get the exit ticket and you need to finish it. Number 1 is match to show the. So A is 10 ones, B 10 tens, C 10 hundreds. And are you going to match these with 100, 1000, or 110? So you're matching these with these. Number 2, you're going to draw discs on the place value chart to show 348. Then down here, A, how many more 1s to make a 10? B, how many more 10s to make 100? And C, how many more hundreds to make 1,000? When you're done, take a picture and send it to your teacher. Good luck.